Hey guys, Saving with Shay, and I'm here to help you save. So listen, I'm here for my midweek Walmart video for you guys. So y'all already know, I about to be giving your girl the shaft. She be out in a hallway, all right, during the week. And so for this week, I need 10 rebates for $1. So the goal for this week is to do, firstly, moneymakers, secondly, freebies, and thirdly, cheapies. All right, so hopefully the whole haul will end up being still free. All right, that is the goal because it's only $1. All right, now I did go to CVS this morning, so I'll also include my 10 off of 70 transaction that I did there. So this should be really easy. I have one rebate that is triple attaching. So yeah, so it should be super duper easy. But if you're new here, yes, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay, again, here to help you save. All right, so definitely make sure you subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. Make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss on a video. And so, what else did I want to mention? Coupons.com is going to be ending in a month. So if you're not signed up with ShopMium, which is replacing Coupons.com, definitely do that. There is no referral link for ShopMium. They might still have a sign-on code, which is hello, for free cookies, but I'm not sure if they still have that. So yeah, so definitely get signed up. Other than that, what else did I want to add? I think that's basically it. So let's head over to Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals that we can get today. So if you want to see what your girl got, keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the chomps. They are priced at $2.28. Now for this, I do have 3 different rebates on Ibotta that it's working for. There's a 10-cent any jerky. There's a $2.48 back, and then there's a 50-cent one as well. And then on top of that, we're getting back 40 cents on Fetch Reward, making this a $1.20 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Gatorade Fast Switch, which is priced at $2.18. We're going to grab one of them. We'll be getting back $8 on ShopMium. We'll also be getting back $8 on Ibotta, bringing this down to only 18 cents. All right, next up is the Ip Fairies. I'm going to go ahead and grab the liners, the higher price ones instead this time. Priced at $4.19. I'll be using a $2 coupon right here from our inserts. And then on top of that, we're getting back $1.50 from Ibotta, making this only 69 cents. All right, so this next deal is on the soft soap. Now it's still in rollback for $4.47, so we're going to grab 2 of them. We'll end up paying $8.94 out of pocket, be getting back $1.50 for each on Ibotta. We'll also get back 350 kicks, which is $1.40 for each on Shopkick. And then 340 points, which is $2.13 on my points, bringing this down to only 50 cents each. All right, so the Irish Spring is priced at $4.97. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. Now, I do have 75-cent coupons that I did get from my Ip Fairies, so I'll be using 2 of them, which will bring the total down to $8.44. You'll get back $1.50 for each on Ibotta, and then 350 kicks, which is $1.40 for each on Shopkick, making them only $1.32 each. All right, so Axe is priced at $6.27. For this, I have a $2 coupon that I got from CVS a few weeks ago. You end up paying $4.27. You'll get back 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40, bringing this down to only $1.87. All right, so next up is the Swasser Cuff hair dye. We are price matching this particular one for $10.40, which is the online price. And we're using 2 of the $4 coupons right here from coupons.com. You end up paying $12.80 out of pocket, but you'll get back $4 for each on Ibotta. Plus there's 1,020 points on my points, which is $6.41. Another 300 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.20, making this a $2.81 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Dove Men Care deodorant. It's priced at $6.27. I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'll be using a 5 off of 2 peely that I got last time I was here. I will pay $7.54 out of pocket, but get back $5 for each on Ibotta, plus 150 kicks on Shopkick, which is 60 cents, bringing this down to a $3.06 moneymaker. All right, so here is another option, is to grab the 2-in-1 at $4.98 and the deodorant at $6.27. You'll use a 5 off of 2 Peely. You'll end up paying a total of $625 out of pocket, but you'll get back 5 on Ibotta. You'll get back 625 kicks for the 2-in-1, which is $2.50, and then 150 kicks, which is 60 cents from Shopkick, making this a $1.85 moneymaker. All right, and here is a hang tag. Fine to keep your eyes peeled for. It looks like they don't expire till the end of July. And so, yeah. All right, so next up is the Febreze. This is in the travel section. It's priced at $197, so we're going to go and grab one of them, preferably one that's not empty. And we're going to get back $2.30 on Ibotta, making this a 33-cent moneymaker. All right, and last but not least, if you got to this point in this video, definitely don't forget to smash the like button. So it's on the Revlon. I did find 2 more of these. They're on clearance for $4.06. Grabbing 2 of them, you'll end up paying $8.12 out of pocket, but then you'll get back $7.96 on Ibotta, making them only 8 cents each. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. To the left, we have Walmart, and to the right, we have CVS. So the breakdowns for CVS will be in the Google Doc, of course. I did the spend 30, get back 10 with the Tide, Herbal Essence, and the Downy. Digital for the Tide is $3, Downy is $2, and then get back 10. And then the Glucerna, it was buy 3, get back 8. And for that, I have $3 coupons. The Dove is buy 1, get 1 50% off. And it's buy 2, get back 5 with $2.50 coupons. And then, of course, Elvive, buy 2, get back 4, $3 printable from coupons.com, $3 digital as well. All right. But yeah, this haul worked out really, really good. Let me show you that receipt before I forget for CVS, because it worked out perfect. And this is with the cashier that I told y'all before, that when she was at the other store, I didn't like her and she didn't like me. And now we're like besties. And so it was perfect though. All right, so there goes the Downy, there goes the Tide, there goes the Dove, Herbal Essence, Elvive, Glucerna, and of course in California we pay a 10-cent bag fee. So that is. All my coupons scanned perfectly fine. There goes the digital for the Elvive. There goes the Tide and the Downy digital. And then our 10 off of 70. I rolled a total of $43 in extra care bucks. And got back a total of $27. Which is cool. So it was perfect. Perfect on that. So as far as Walmart, I had the 5 off 2 Peelies on the Dove. So I grabbed 5 deodorants, 1 shampoo, and used 3 of the Peely, scanned perfectly fine. And then we used $4 coupons on the hair dyes, which we are price matching for $10.40. And then Kotex, I went ahead and got the larger one. I was going to get the cheap ones that we usually get, but I wanted to see if that would work on Shopkick, because that receipt is still processed. Well, I submitted it. It didn't pick up nothing. All right. I got the red sign. It didn't pick up nothing. I resubmitted it. Same thing. So I put a ticket in. But if I do get back the extra $5.50 in kicks for that, it'll make that a small money maker. Without it, it's 69 cents, which I don't feel as bad. Everything you see here retails $171.96. I had $60 in coupons, CRTs, or digital since we went to CVS, which brought the out of pocket down to $111.96. And then we walk away with a total of $65.84 from Ibotta, $11.52 from Shopkick. I only did like a little bit of scan kicks today. Like literally all I scanned was body wash, to be honest. And I only got back like 80 something cents. But $11.52 from Shopkick. Again, I had to put a ticket in for my receipt, so we're waiting for that. But the hair dye for 300 kicks, that one did go through. My points is $10.70. And for that, the soft soap is in review. Shop Miam was $1. Betrywear was 40 cents for the chomps. And $27 back in extra care bucks. So we get back a total of $116.46, making everything you see here free plus a $4.50 moneymaker. So it's not the hugest moneymaker. Nonetheless, it's a moneymaker. And then our tax was $10.58. And even after tax, it nets everything at $6.08, which is not bad because we got Tide and we got Downy. So I cannot complain on this haul, you guys. Other than that, if you got to this point in the video, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. And I'll see you in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.